Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to install FFmpeg. First thing you want to do is open up Google Chrome and type in FFmpeg. Then you're going to head to the download section on their website. We're going to choose Windows, Windows builds from guide.dev. Then we're going to scroll down where it says release build and we're going to select the release essentials full shared. Download that. And then once it's done downloading, we'll extract it to where we want it to be installed. So I'm actually going to double click in here because this is the folder that we want to extract. Then I'm just going to navigate to a place on my computer. Let's say, for example, I create a folder called FFmpeg in my programs folder. So I'm just going to drag all this content here into that folder and extract it. Now that it's extracted, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to your system environment variables, and we're going to set a new variable in path. Click edit, and then we're going to click new. Actually, we're going to copy this. We'll go right into bin and copy this. Copy, go to new, and paste. Perfect. So now we'll click OK, click OK, click OK. Close this down, close this down, close this down, close this down. And then if you press Windows R and open up the command prompt and type FFmpeg space hyphen version, you should see this. Congratulations, you've successfully installed FFmpeg.